Alright, hey guys, Jamie here again, and we are back in Unreal Engine again. And in this video, I'm going to expand on the door blueprint that I made, um, and add the request has been to make it so that you can have it locked, and so it won't open unless the user has a key. Okay, so I'm not going to go over the pickup system yet as far as what key and anything like that. We're just going to add the lock to the door. Alright, so let's go into the door blueprint. So if you didn't watch my last video um, about the doors, we created this system here where it smoothly opens and closes the door. Um, if you want to see how I built that, um, then check out the previous video to this one. All right, so the first thing we need is a couple of variables. We need a door is locked variable. Okay, we're gonna make that public so that you can set that from the level. We also need a key code, and you can call this anything you want. I like key code, and we're gonna make that visible. And I'm gonna make it a string. You could make it a number, an integer, anything that you could set in some other in the character. That's going to be, the number of the key or the code required to open the door. You could use a keypad, and that's going to spit out this key code. Okay, so I like the, the string idea because then you can put anything you want in there. Okay, and we're going to go to we'll move this over here. Okay, so first thing we need to do is we need to check, is the door locked, right? So if it is locked, we're going to branch here, okay. And if it's not locked, we can just go ahead and go right on into the other stuff. If it is locked, we're going to need another branch because now we need to check to see if the character has the key. All right, so the best way to do that is to grab the other actor. Okay, this is who runs over the door, right? And we're going to cast this to the third person character, which is the character that we're using. Now I know that in this game, this is the only character that I'm going to be using, so I can right click and convert that to pure cast. Okay, because I don't have any fear of this failing. But if you have many different characters or NPCs or anything like that that could possibly open this door, you're going to want to be careful with this here. All right, so actually now we need to go into the third person character and add our key and our key code over here. So let's go ahead and go to the third person character, right? We're going to add some variables for him, like has key, and that key code, because maybe you have different keys. I'm going to make this a string. Okay. And now you don't have to make these public because your pickup system is probably going to handle these kind of things. So you're not going to be setting this from the level, so they don't have to be public. But now that these exist and I've compiled my blueprint, we can go over here and we drag off this third person character. We could say as key. Okay, and we're going to get this. And we also need that key code. All right. So we're going to use a Boolean here. We're going to say if he has the key and this key code equals the key code that the door wants, okay, then this user can open the door. So we're going to branch off of this, and if this is true, if he has the key and the key codes match, then we can just go ahead and continue on with what we're doing. Okay, there's probably a number of ways we can clean this up a little bit. If it's not true, I want to tell the user that he doesn't have the right key, or he doesn't have a key at all. So we'll just do a print string right now. This door is locked and you don't have the right key. Okay, so that way, if you have, the user, they know it's not just a useless door or a prop door. This is something that you can open. Move this over here. We're going to go ahead and copy all of this and paste it down here for the other side. And all we have to do is connect our falses up and our true. And now we should be good to go. And let's test it out. So we're going to compile. Right now, this other actor. There. Right now, my third-person character does not have the key, and also this door is not locked. Okay, so this is my first test. We'll play. It should open and close normally. Oh, there it is. Okay. I must have been sitting on the trigger. Alright, so now we're going to lock the door and set the key code to, let's say, 1, 2, 3, 4. And play. Now I shouldn't be able to get in. Right, so it says the door is locked and you don't have the right key. Door is locked, you don't have the right key. Okay, so let's go ahead and give myself a key. And I'm going to make the key code something wrong, just to test that and variable. And it's locked and I don't have the right key. Okay, so that's working. Now I'm going to give myself the right key. And now the door should open and close. Alright, so that is it for this video. Pretty quick one, but it is a easy little system. And again, you will have to work up your own pickup system. This isn't about the pickups, which maybe I'll do in a next video. But that is it for this one. And if you have any questions or comments, please put them in the comment section. Please like and subscribe to my channel, as it will help make me more videos like this if you like them. If you don't like them, then tell me why. Okay? All right, thanks guys, and we'll catch you later.